We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is usually pronounced as literature, literature. You do want to stress on the first syllable and note that this is a ch sound at the end, not a proper T sound but a ch sound. Literature. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as literature, literature in American English versus literature in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.